It's really good. Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Guys, today I'm going to review one product. It's a garment steamer, which I'm looking for. Already I have a wireless steamer, but I thought let's keep one garment steamer. I was searching for on Amazon, like Flips. There's so many brands actually. They are selling on Amazon. I got a very best deal on Amazon Prime deal. It's 12th July and 14th July. It was a great deal. So Inalsa is a brand name. So I am going to review this product today, and I'm going to give the demo. But this feedback do not consider right now because I'm not used for longer time. Once I start using for 3 to 4 months, then I can give you the honest review. So another vlog I'm going to create after 3 or 4 months or 6 months, the continuous usage of this garment steamer, how it's reliable, the steamer, is there any issue, then it will be a honest feedback. So today I'm going to unpack and I'm going to show you the garment steamer, and I'm going to assemble this product. Right now it is a completely packed box. It has been came from Amazon. So I'm going to unpack and I'm going to show you. Okay, chalo abhi unpack and I will show you. And I'm going to assemble and I'm going to connect to the power plug, and I'm going to be use the steam iron. Okay, very tidy cloud which is not properly iron. I'm going to show you. Okay, this is completely I'm going to show you proper demo so that you guys can justify whether you want to buy this garment steamer or not. Okay, चलो अभी मिलते हैं अभी अनपैक में. Okay guys, this is the box which I have received. This Inalsa the garment steamer. Let's unpack. Just open. Okay. Do it properly, no. Okay, this is inside this. Oh, okay, this is actually ulta hai. Be careful. Wait. इसको उल्टा करो. Wait. Let me. अभी निकालो उसको. Just remove it.
You remove अपन
तुम्हें होल्ड करो. तुम होल्ड करो तुम्हें. Okay guys. Okay, this is the pack. Garment steamer, steam plus 20 to 30 gram, heat up 28 seconds. This is 2 years warranty. और क्या है इसका? Let's see. Garment steamer, the same thing. This is a with stand. Let's unpack this slowly. The packing is good. 1 second, like that, like.
Oh yeah.
Okay. 1 second. This is the pad. See, this is the pad.
So soft.
Okay.
And this is club.
This is gloves. When you're hitting, right? When you're pressing your iron, you should not get burn your hand with the steam. So but this is very thin here actually. I'm not sure it's going to be support the if I am pressing the hot steamer. So finally, this is the brush. One by one, I'm just showing you. Okay. This is the power cord. No, this is the steamer. Yes, from this it get the steam. 1 second, Ayan. See, this is the one. This is no nozzle of this one. It's heavy quality. This is actually it's very heavy. This is heavy. I will keep aside. No, wait. Slowly. Wait. Remove the
Thermocol.
hold it from there. Once again.
Ooh.
This is stand. One by one I have to assemble. Finally I have okay. This is the hanger. So this is the steamer. 2 liter 1.7 liter of water we can put.
Ooh, today.
This is a storage, water storage. We have to press, we have to lock once again. Now I have to assemble this. This is the this way we can press easy, and they have given this stand.
Oh, so nice stand. What's this?
This I have to. They have given this clips. I can. Oh, great.
Wow, so nice.
Okay, another one.
This one.
This is the one. Wait.
Hey. Ooh, another one.
Guys, this way we have to press this one. Yes. 1 second, Ayan. Yes, it should go inside. Yes. Okay, now balance.
This one, no?
No. Now, what else we have to do?
That. And this.
No. Now, 1 second.
Oh.
Okay. This 1 second. Wait. This should be get fixed here. This both. 1 second, Ayan. Okay. We can unclip.
Oh, what is this?
This is not properly fixed. Hold it. This I have to turn back.
Go first one.
So finally I have assembled now. You can see it's a bigger. Let's make little bit shorter. Actually I like this. We can reduce the height. If you wait, Ayan. But I'm not sure if this clip is broken. We can get another one. Kaise? Ayan, give that. Yes, we can keep here.
Wow, so
It
nice.
look good. If you want to see from far, you can see. It's look good. This is a completely assembled now. Now we can start. We can put the water here and we can start using. And I'm going to show you.
Then we should put
Cotton. Yes, we have to put the water. We have to plug into pour.
First, we did remove this cover.
Yeah, we have to remove 1 second. Wait. Okay, guys. Now I'm going to show you the demo. I like the one thing. Good part is adjustable height. You can adjust your height as per you want. You can keep max. See, this pad is good. Easily the suits of the shirts we can press from the steam iron. And I'm going to show you the demo. I will take one cotton shirt. I will show you the wrinkle one, the shirt I'm going to take, and I'm going to show you how quickly it's going to be press the iron from the steam iron. My son is happy actually for early morning pressing the cloths for school dress, for school uniform, right? That is a big headache. Now it will be quite easy. Just plug it within the 2 or 3 minutes. We can steam from the steamer. We can press the clothes. Okay, and right now I'm going to show the demo. चलो अभी मिलते हैं डेमो में. This is manual and warranty card also. Here the instruction they have given. Step 1, insert and remove. Step 2, step 3, step 4, step 5, step 6 have the option like how to put the water open close, and step 7 and step 8. This instruction you need to follow. Be careful if it is leakage is there, please turn off the power. I'm going to be put the water in the container now, and I'm going to show you. Okay, चलो अभी मिलते हैं अभी. See, this is the container. In this container you need to fill the water, but you will thinking like how to fill the water, right? Here, see the instruction. Lock and locked. So this symbol you have to this way you have to press. You have to remove this one. Don't keep on pressing this. Keep pressing this spring. If this become loose, the water leakage will be happen. Use the RO water. Don't use hot water. Usually for steam iron, always use soft water. This is 1 pint. I'm going to use 1 liter. I'm going to use now. It is 1.7 liter capacity, but I will use 1 liter water. That's enough for my requirement. Then after that you need to lock. Yes, you have to lock. You have to be very careful when you. Actually, I don't like this. They should given like upstairs like top. They have to give this cap. We can open and we can close, but they have given below one. We have to rotate. I'm not sure it will be a leakage or what. Okay, let's try now. Let's pour on the steamer. Press the iron. Press the cloth. Okay, let's start. Okay, guys, I'm going to show the demo now. This is my school, my kit, my son school uniform. I have taken this already. It has a lot of wrinkles. Only the one problem is this: you need this adapter, additional adapter you need, because this is a 16 amp switch. It's not going to support for 5 amps. So I have taken this adapter 5 amp to 16 amps. So let's check now. I have already filled the water. See, the water is filled. Is 1.7 liter. This is the power on button. Let's first turn on. Okay, the switch is on now. Now let's pour on. Here the pour on.
Power button.
Power button. Okay, it's power on now. Now let's wait for how much time it will take to
Oh, coming.
hold on. Okay.
Wait, coming.
So guys, I'm going to show the demo now. This is my school, my kit, my son school uniform. I have taken this already. It has a lot of wrinkles. Only the one problem is this: you need this adapter, additional adapter you need, because this is a 16 amp switch. It's not going to support for 5 amps. So I have taken this adapter 5 amp to 16 amps. So let's check now. I have already filled the water. See, the water is filled. Is 1.7 liter. This is the power on button. Let's first turn on. Okay, the switch is on now. Now let's pour on. Here the pour on.
Power button.
Power button. Okay, it's power on now. Now let's wait for how much time it will take to
Oh, coming.
hold on. Okay.
Wait, coming. How come?
Okay, let's try. Oh, shit. Okay, keep. It's really good. Actually, lighting is too poor. it's looking good.
Yep.
Right. See how it is iron now.
Who's so nice, huh?
Yeah. No need to worry about now. Early morning I have to press. Now this is very quickly we can press. We're not going to burn the cloth. This is only from the steam. This is the garment steam. But I don't like this cord is too short. So if I make the too height right, it's not going to support. Only the drawback is that there is this cord right. And the cord is too short. Yes, it's yeah. You can see. You can press now. Yeah.
Oh, so smoky. The foot hot.
Yeah, it's hot. It's going to this is 1800 watts, so you should not use in UPS. It's going to be overload. So it's not recommended using in UPS generator. It's always used in the alternate current, not DC current. Okay, guys. Finally, I'm going to end my vlog. So if you like this vlog, please like and subscribe to my channel. So already I've explained to you. So from unpacking to assembling the garment steamer, and I've shown you the demo also. It's working fine, so there is no issue. If you like this channel, if you like my vlog, please like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next vlog. Bye.
You're the toaster.